Students? Good morning. Good afternoon. Okay. Ingon sila ako ang teacher before. You will always say good morning, even if it is afternoon, because the spirit in the afternoon should be done throughout the day. So, unsa kapag mata sa buntag nga happy, dapat happy yun after the class. So, are you happy today?
Yes.
Mabu-mabu?
Hi.
Okay, so for this afternoon, I will present to you a lesson that is connected to our last lesson yesterday. So, before that, I want you to be relaxed, be yourself, and always remember the classroom rules. So first is always respect yourself, your teacher, grade 3, and your classmates. So always be attentive in every participation and activities. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So, dapat ready jud ang grade 3. Okay, so, before that, I will distribute to you your point card. Ini ang point card to be used as your points in every active participation. So, I will give you points at the end of the class. Di ko na siya bingo. This is not a bingo. This is a points card in where I will put points in every participation you made in the class. Hindi siya bingo ha. Tigduwa yun ni bingo si Inday. Uy, sige ka-bingo lang. Maunay dugay ka mo. Skwila kay dugay di ka mato. Sige ka-bingo na. Ay, dili, di ay. So, pwede na ka mag-bingo, pero walay kanang pustahay. O, kaya ka ng bingo, maka? Kung ano po na sa inuhang memories sa numbers. In bingo, naman ang numbers. So, mana, 1. So, related ang bingo sa represent numbers. So, I'm looking in grade 3. Diba, na dyan mo represent and read the numbers. Kaya, ubinggo na po si Inday, lalay. Ayaw, lay. Okay. So, yesterday, I bring to you this box. Do you still remember?
Yes.
Okay. So, ako ni siyang gibit-bit kahapon. So, I have here nabibagyo. Okay, I have here this one. Okay, here. Do you still remember what are these things in my table? If you want to answer, just raise your right hand. Do not use any words. Who wants to answer? Nakabay points. Di yung kulong bingo card. Okay, anhita di bingo girl. Okay, unsa man ni akong gidaga punlay. Okay, mga manipulative. So, what kind of manipulatives? Daghan man na. Sa una ni use ta o stick. So, unsa man ni? Blocks, very good. So these are base 10 blocks. Again, what is that?
Base
10. Base 10 blocks. Okay. So, base 10 blocks. Okay, ako isuhan kay nakalimot ko mo.
Base 10.
Okay. So, kailangan dyan ni Elisa ni teacher. So, ganun siya opinay. Okay, again, let's read.
Base and black.
Again?
Base and black.
Very good. So, in the base 10 blocks, there are 4 categories, but yesterday, I let you identify this one to represent a number. Okay, this one, this small cube. What is this name?
Units.
Very good. Kasi ito na, ang group 1. So, tanang group 1 na ay 5 points. Di man ilay ha? Kay ibingo ka. So, dapat kibaw ka mo add sa imuhang mga points. Very good. What is this?
Units.
Unit. So, 1. Right? Unit. 1. How about this one? Long. Very good. Kay naka-remember taas yun yung memory akong grade 3. So, long represent 10. So, ngano nahimo maniglong? Why? How can we make one long? Ipunsa maniglong na long mani oy. Okay, at hita ni kanang among ni Muse sa klase. Si Inday, ali lang.
Gitibo-tibo ang unit nga naabot og kabuok man.
Okay. Tagaan na ito, papak, lima ka. Kinakus kang papak. Ang di mo papak kay maputol ang kamot. Joe. Okay, very good. So, one long represent how many? 10. Very good. 10 units. 10 units equivalent to 1 long. Now, kung naghanap ko kuglong, maabot siya og 10. Well, ako'y compile ha. Here. Okay, can we count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now, if I will combine all the 10 longs, what made of this 10 long? Mahimo na siya o? Okay, so this is the flat. So how many longs in one flat? 10. Very good. So yesterday, I teach you about unit. Unit is for? Long is for? 10. Flat is for? 100 or hundreds. Now, I will ask someone to use these 3 to represent a number. Gamiton ninyo, kamo na ipili na ang imong classmate mooy mo guess sa number. Okay, kinsa man? Ay, Inday niya, alilay. Apil ka, uy! Saan ka dali? Alilay. Okay, naikwaon si Inday niya. Then, kamoy mo guess, unsay number. Kaya ba po, pinakabuok imuhang unit, imuhang long, and the flat. Okay. Yes. Ano yan eh? Okay. Kinsa may muges sa number na gikuha ni Inday niya? Okay, kinsa man, if you want to raise your hand, okay, come here, Inday. Mercy. Okay, ang hasa ka Inday niya, i-check kung sakto ba iyang answer. 233, ma'am. 200. Can you write 233 there? Okay, 233. Let's check. Okay. Now, Adinday, ikay ihap. Pila ka unit ang imong gikuha? Tulo. Okay, tulo. 3, 2. Okay, masay may name ani. Okay, 3. Bukal giog ka ng name. 3 again. 3 units. This one. 3 units. And this? 2. Okay, 2 plus. So it means sakto ba iyang answer?
Tumpak, ganun.
Okay, tumpak. Okay, bigyan natin ng masigabang palakpak ang dalawang mag-aaral. Okay, very good. So, 233. Ma'am, ano 233? Norday, mag-una ko sa 3. Then, 3 na po niya, 2. Mano ani man ang iyahang form? Okay, so you recall your place value. So, ang place value of unit is in ones. And long is for cents and block is for di ba mapusog akong tingo? Dako, chupay akong tingo nga. Pusog pag yun ang okay ra? Di lang kita ni mabunguli ang kauman sa klase. Okay, so the answer is, everybody read.
233.
Okay, 233. We have 3 units, 3 longs, and 2 flats. Okay, so karon, kibaw na mo. Baliktad na pod. Ako'y musuwat sa numbers na kamoy pili. Okay, kamoy mo represent the blocks. Okay. Ako'y eraser. Dara lang, oh. Malok ka mag-erase kay makamdam niya ikaw pa. Okay, this one. Okay, everybody, can you read this number?
461.
Okay, who want to pick those blocks and tell me how many longs, how many units, and how many flats? Okay, ani si Dudong Neil. Okay, pagpakat sa nato si Dudong Neil kay first kaya siya mag-point ni answer. So, na yun siya 10 points kung maka-answer. Sige. Okay, pakita sa imong classmate. Okay. Kahit tika. Una.
One unit. 1 unit. long and 4 flats.
Okay. Sakto ba si Dudong Neil? Okay, sakto. So, 4 flats, 6 longs, and 1 unit. Now, we are done with units, longs, and flats. Now, if I have 10 flats, now, what is the form of 10 floods? If I will combine these 10 floods, unsa man iyang forma? More siya o box or a big cube? More siya forma ni unit. Dako. So, unsa may name ani? Okay, so kailangan mo, this is a representation of 10 floods is equal to 1 block. So, pila man na ining block? So, nanantay ones, nanantay tens, hundreds. Unsa man eh? Very good. Can you spell the word thousand? Again. Mga bright. Section 1, the I mean. Okay, thousands. So, we have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. Now, usa naman ang akong blocks, we will use picture. Ibutang diri as your reminder ha. We have 1 is for unit, 10 is for long, 100 is for flat. So again, unsa ganito ang 1,000? Unsay name adto niya? Block. Okay, para di mo makalimot kay usay ba ning grade 3, makalimot mo no. Sabi nang, kaduwaon na mo bingo. Okay. Magbalik-balik yung ko ni bingo kay favorite man ni lalay ang mga numbers. Okay. So here. Okay. Look at in the screen, the TV. Now, who can tell me how many units?
8.
How many? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, this one.
3.
And this one?
5.
Okay, so are you correct?
Yes.
Now, how to read this number?
538.
Okay, 538. Wala pa tay? Unsa may laking dira? 1,000. Mga bright lagi mo. Okay. Pila ni ka? Unsa ni nga klase? Unit, long, flat, or block? Block. Block represent what number? 10 di ay. Flat man akong usa ka flat, usa iyang number. Okay, hundreds. Now, pila man di ka flat? 10. Ang 10 flat is equivalent to what? 1,000. So, unsay name anak nga gigamit ni teacher? Block. Mga bright jud ni sila. So, 1,000 di ay ng blocks. Okay. Sometimes in the Singapore map, they are using magtanaw-tanaw bitaw mo sa YouTube nga. Nami makita, hello, imo si teacher mo, ang 10 puno kay long. Pero sa uban ng mga books, they are using rod. Ana. Okay. Sa uban po, ang 1,000, they are using cube. Cube or block. So, kamo ka ng atong gigamit kay long man o block. Okay. Here. Now tell me how many blocks are there? Look at me in.
6.
Okay, very good. 6, teacher. So, what number represent the 6 blocks?
6,000.
Okay, pila?
6,000.
Okay, 6. Tanawat ko na to. Okay, ikaw kung ipislit anilang ga kung ang sakto bilang answer nga 6,000. Okay, sakto dili. Sakto. Okay, another. Okay, nanakaani ha, complete na ni. Okay. Uy, sorry. Okay, mo tawag ko usa. Imong isulti pila ka units, long, flat, and block. Okay, ikaw na po, Inday. Anita sa front. Ikay mo pislit gihapon. Amen. Before na mo pislit, i-identify sa pila ka number. Butang apelido ha.
2 units, 4.
Pislit.
Sakto.
Okay, sunod.
4 long,
Pislit na po.
4 flat, and 2 black.
Okay, sakto yung answer, dili.
Sakto.
How to read that number?
2,442, teacher.
Very good. So, it's 2,442. Now, always remember, asa man mo mag-start kung if you are reading and writing a number. Kung magsulat mo sa inyong notebook, asa man maguna? Sa left or sa right? Are you sure? Okay, kisa may muingon nga, adto ko magsugod sa left, teacher. Erase ang kamot. Magsulat ba? Left. Going to right or right to left? Ay, mao ni nalibog mo, kay wa mo kailag left and right. Okay. Iisa inyong left din. Uy, duha ka kung ilang left. Okay, asa ang left? Pagtarong, asa mong left, Inday? Okay, dear teacher. Okay, left. Left mauni ang sa Tagalog, ito ay tinatawag na kaliwa. At sa right ay sa kanan. So kung Bisaya ka na, ang kaliwa ay wala. Then, ang tuo, right. Mabito nang giingon og tuo kay tuo, right. Then, left is kaliwa, sunay L. Inyong hinunduman kay, when I was in grade 3, parihan ninyo, akong hinunduman kay, sa una, maglibog po ka ng left and right, maglibog ng po, sa itong kanan at kaliwa. So, akong hinunduman na, ang kaliwa na letter L. So, kaliwa, left, kanan. So, wala ra siya. So, right. So, anak kong pag-remember. So, you should learn some hint nga, imuha siyang ma-remember. Okay, so, asa man ta mo read, be magsugod o mag-write ang numbers. Asa man dyan. Kahit mo magsuwat sa inyong notebook eh. Suwatan mo lang 2,442. Okay. Very space. How many digits are there? Three digits? Are you sure? Oh, ani ko gikan? Ipon ko na to, be. O saan ang digit? That is another a name for number. So, here, can we write count?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many units are there? 4. So, the number is grouped into 3. So, after hundreds, you will put a space. Diba? When you are grade 1 kay, mag-use man mo ang uban kay kama. Pero, karon, you will use a space. After the third digit, kung sa may third digit, kung gikan ta sa ones. Okay, again.
1, 10, 100.
Okay, after ni 100, mo-post ko na ta. Matatag space, then so what? Ayaw isumpay. Kaya inyong mata, di na makahibaw mo rin. So, it means that in 1,000, there are 4 digits. So, butang space, ha? Okay, so nakasabot na ba anin? Tanawo na ko ha, musuwat mo kung naapagbigahapon ang pagpilit-pilit. Okay, karon. Example ni. Mag-use ta og this one. Imong ipapilit din ni. I need 2 volunteers. Ay, 3. A, B, and C. So, ano yung magkuha sa mga cutouts of units, long, flats, and block? Okay, anita sa group 1. Isa yung representative. Isa may... Did you go? Talagaan mo pa 10 points. Okay, anita ni Doya, ni Gijay. Ibaw lagi ka, I know you can do it. Okay, group 2, si Dodong Neil. And for the group 3, for letter C, is si Inday Eden. Okay, so anita, ani sa letter A, iyak ipapilit na ha. Okay. Here. Okay. Kinsa may, ani na mo diribi? Okay, ani. Inday. Then I tape. Kamoy mo pilit dira. O ani mo pilit? Unsaon na? Example. May number. Inyo ha? Paon ang cutouts. How many flats? How many longs? And how many units? Okay, grupo-grupo. Smiling kay si Inday kuan. Okay, mo ni siya yung ipilit. Okay, pili mo. Tagaan ta mo time. Sige.
Picture, oy.
What you get points? Sayang. Ha? Si mong grado. Okay lang? Okay na po.
Okay lang naman. Di mamasap ko. Oy, yung
to na kay ato nang i-check kung sakto ba ilang answer. Tagay sa silang time nga mo answer kay naapon mo yung time nga mo answer mo. Okay, mana? Okay. Can we read letter A?
3,401.
Okay, let's check. 3,401. Now, how many units are there? Only one. Now, the long. Okay, there's no value. Iya bang gibutangan? Wala. So, it represent na ang iyang long or 10, wala. So, 0. And for the hundreds or flat, how many? How many flats are there?
3.
3? Are you sure? Is this correct? No. So, pila may kuwang inday niya? Isa. So, atong punan. Okay, atong punan dudong nil ha. Kay kuwang man. Ay, sorry na, sorry, Juno. Okay. Okay, upat na. Inday. Kay 400. Sige lang kay makakun yun ka throughout our class. Now, for the 1,000 or blocks, how many blocks are there?
3.
Okay, so 3. Is this correct already? Yes. Again, can you read?
3,401.
Okay, sakto. Now, we will go to Dudong Neil's word. Okay, Dudong Neil, ring sa number. Okay, bao baka.
Iba kung mamay.
Oh, very good.
Kanang ko teacher. 2,000. Wala may 100 teacher. 2,025.
35?
25.
25. Okay. Ingon si Dudong Neil, wala may 0, wala may 100. So, you should not use hundreds. Okay. Wala may value. So, 2,000, go to the tens. 25. So, let's check Neil's word. How many units? 5. So, 5 units. How about long? 2 longs or 2 tens. How about 100? 0. So, wala butangin ni Dudong? Neil. So, dili mo, di na kubutangan kay wala may 100. And for the 1,000, how many blocks? 2. So, it represents 2,000. Is this correct?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good, Neil. Another 10 points. Now, let's go to letter C. Ato na sa word ni Eden. Read lang ga.
It's 1,240.
Okay. Paano ni siya? Mo niya mo ang candidate for kanang highest order pero kanang pakuwan lang mo nang gi-encourage yun na ko si Inday nga i-continue yun iyahang pagka-bright pero kailangan mawag lang iyang pagkatapulan. Tabian pag yun. I-minimize na nato lang ga ha. At sige lang ka, mag-storya po ni mama. Isumbong po ni mama ni mo. Ano man? Ayun, nag-vlog na. Di na bully, oy. Mag-storya taon niya, ha? Okay, so, 1,240. So, let's check Eden's word. Now, how many units?
0.
Okay, 0. Nothing. Very good. Wala butangin ni Eden. How about long? 4. Is that correct? sama nimo ano na wrong man kaana? Nakalimot ka sa 3. So, imong balikon. Sige, tagaan na itong chance si Eden. Muna po ang bata nga. Okay. So, sakto na ba si Eden? Okay. How many long? 4. So, it means 40. And for the hundreds, how many flot? 2. So 2 and 1,000. 1 block. Is this correct? Yes. Okay. So I think you already know about this topic. So are you ready? Nakasabot ba? I have a question. Again, before I will have my short activity, atong i-recap, if you still remember, again, what the name of ones represent these things in my table. Unsay name adto?
Base 10
Base 10 block. So ones nga, okay, units. So unit represent, if I have 10 units, unsay mahitabo na niya? 1 long, because 1 long represent how many? 10 units. And 10 longs represent 1 flat. And kung akong punan pag yun ang 1 to make it 10 flats, 1 block. So, I know you are ready to answer the group activity. Okay, so I will give you 5 minutes to answer this activity. Then, you will select a reporter. Siya mo explain sa inyong word. Okay? Please, leader. Please, your member nga mo cooperate tanan ha. Okay, akong tanawon suruyon tong mga dili mo cooperate. Okay. Hilom lagi kayo ni nga class, eh? Nabaguhan ko sa grade 3. Okay, galion na. Okay, klase man, dahil may time nga, pwede tama magbagbanha, but not during class time. Okay. There are 2 paper there, A and B. The first one is you will make or put the cut-out pictures or the blocks. Then for letter B, you will tell me the numerals that represent the block models. You have your pentel pen. You can use your pentel pen. Let's see kung sakto pa na yung word. Okay, your word will be graded. Okay, after answering, you post your answer here. This is for group 1. The group 2. Napit. Okay, tabang mo kay, it is a group activity. Wala silang kunoy grado. Ingon si Eden.
Si Mercy, magod ka teacher.
Si Mercy din. So, ingon nga, mag-mention dyan ang favorite ko no. Okay, I think you're done already because all the group posted their work. Now, let's begin with ano yata sa group 3 na po pagsugod. Who is your reporter? Kasi mo report. Sila na po kay mana para sa uban tagaan na to chance to speak. Okay. Anhita di Inday. Pwede. Siya ko nung ang report sa group 3. Kaya papakan na to si Inday Piling. And saan tayo? See? Namimig sa dina.
Okay, ang A, 2042. 2 blocks, 4 longs, and 2 units. Then letter B, 2 blocks, 1 flat, and 5 units. So 2,105.
Another loss to group 3. Let's check. Okay, here. What is the number for letter A? Everybody read. 2042. So there are 2 units, 4 longs, and 2 blocks. Let's say wala nga value. Blada, flat, kay 0 man. And how about this one? How many units? 5. Then long. No. How about flat? 1 and block is 2. So what is the number?
2,105.
Okay, very good. 5 bagsak sa group 3. Okay, what should the lakas? Group 2. Kisay mo report. Hindi na po gusto si Dudong Neil kay na-over-kuan na siya. Na-expose na iyang kagwapo. Ang hita ni Inday Gemma. Ipakpaka na to si Inday Gemma para maganahan gid siya.
Sa letter A, 1,123. Then 1 block, 1 flat, 2 longs, and 3 units. Then sa letter A, B,
1,214. So 1 blocks, 2 flats, 1 long, and 4 units. That's all. 1,214. Lost to group 2. Okay, we have 1,123. How many units? 2 longs, 1 flat, and 1 block. Again, what is this number?
1,123.
How about this one? How many units?
4. 1 long. 2 flats. 1 block.
And what the number is?
1,240.
Okay, very good. Group 2. Now, Anita sa group 1. Okay. Okay. Kalipan mo kung kuha si Ani na dahil tadi. Okay. Very good naman. Nice kay siya. Si Indan Josie kay ni volunteer. Not like self-confidence. Ako ma'am. Ako chair. Asa mo ba na chair? Ako man. Ale? Oh, picture na ba? Okay, so letter A, 2,415. 2 blocks, 4 flats, 1 block, and 5 units. And in letter B, 3,124. 3 blocks, 1 flat, 2 longs, and 4 units. Thank you. Okay, pakpakan na to ang group 1. So what is the number?
2,440.
O, kamo po na ingon B. 5 units, 1 long, 4 flats, and 2 blocks. And for letter B, we have
1 flat. 3 blocks.
okay, so what's the number?
3,124.
Okay, so as based in your work, I know you already learned the lesson. So are you ready for the evaluation? But before that, I will ask question. What do you feel today for learning the lesson? How do you feel? Unsa na imong gibati? Ano na po ta sa sabatan kay ingon si Inday Pidig, uan ko no to, baltiguang, anita sa batanon. Okay, ay bahala na kay batanon gapon og now. Kay si Inday Christine, unsa man imong gibati karong adlaw after learning all those things?
Teacher, ginisdan jud ko. Ako kasabot kaayo.
Okay ka kasabot.
Ano man? Naminaw ka? Dili balik oy. Ako ni tuluan siya after class kung unsa ang iyahang nalisdan. Okay, so tabangan tikahan na po imong mga classmate, okay? So unsa man imong gibati? Happy, sad, angry, or whatever?
Happy.
Happy. Happy siya. Okay, pakpakan na to si Inday Christine. How about for the group 2? Unsa may gibati ni nandito sa bata? Ni Inday LV. Okay. Kay batan na po.
Mga teacher, angry ko kay silinya kay sige tabi. Wala ko madungo.
Pero nakasabot ka.
Gamay.
Kamay. So ato nang i-happy sunod ha.
Sige, teacher.
Oh, sige. So
Inday niya, di kuno ka magsaba kay maang Okay, so ato nang kalipayon ang imong angry kay sabaan daw pero nakaton mong kaha ka LV. Gamay. Ato nang padakon. Okay, how about the group 3? Anita ni Inday Lourdes, unsa man imong gibati?
Nalingaw.
Ano nalingaw man ka?
Nalingaw tapos teacher dyan na ako ko'y nahibawan sa ng units, clubs, class, and block.
Naabot sa grabe daghan kay siya tubag. Apply itong recreation, daghan kay nga tubag no. Usa lang kong pangutana. So nalipay si Inday Lourdes. Then, kay nakakatong siya units, nagtabot-tabot pag yun siya. So, daghan siya kay tubag sa in my one question. So, are you ready for the evaluation? Okay, you will answer this one in 5 minutes individually. Always read the instruction before you answer it. Ang uban, kung dili mo basa sa instruction, dili gyud mao ang answer. Please follow that instruction.
Di ka basta instruction, teacher. Nasab ko.
Okay, dapat makabasa na muna. Okay, I will explain for the first page. So, you will count the units, long, flats, and block, and write the numerals, yung number nga na-represent. And for letter B, you will draw the blocks, the flats, the long, and the units based on the given number. You can use crayon if you want to. Pwede na po lapis. Sa block. Okay. Tanawa na ang naa sa likod. Na. Okay. Sundan lang na. Mura siya o nag-spare sa babaw niya. Butangan o spare sa ubos. Niya i-connect. Okay. 3 minutes. Okay, pass your paper. Okay, pass forward. 1. Katagignan. Ipass sa inyong leaders sa front. Okay. Before ma-end atong class, again, what is this name again? What are these? 1, base, and block. So, it represents a number. But, in the real world, unsa man inyong i-represent sa number when you will go to the market? Okay, so money. Also, you can use money for representation of numbers. So, murag ko gihapon ang money ang blocks. O, palaan na ang units, pwede man o coins. Ang long, katong 10. Then, ang katong flat, itong 100, the bills. And for the black is 1,000 is bills. Mauna, murag gihapon in the real world, mugamit jud mo og numbers. So that is why it is very important to know numbers. Okay, ato mo na siyang gamiton every day. So in your real life, you will use money. Okay? So tomorrow, we will check your work because it's already time. Okay. Goodbye, grade 3.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay. Please pass your cards. Points card. That's all. Thank you.